you'll come to this site where you'll access wanjohikibui.com /courses/introduction to GIS with QGIS, and you'll find the whole course material. This is the page. Of course, it's a paid for course, but with a good discount for the time. As you can see, we have a total of 7 hours of on-demand video recorded for purposes of learning. This is basically something that you'll also access some materials that are there. We have some PDFs and docs that you can download. And then, of course, we have some requirements, which is basically something that you've already, or something that you already get, you already have. And then, of course, there's explanation and what will the learning outcomes. As you can see from the first topic all the way to the last, there is quite a lot to be learned here. The YouTube part basically covers all the way up to labeling. So all these topics are covered in this course, which you need to access and continue learning. So as you can see, we have so many lessons within the different topics. As you can see, all these are basically some things that you need to access. You can work with raster data, you create the data sets that you are working with. We also go to the map making, which is an interesting topic, and it has a number of lessons. And the last is basically working with Atlas, where you're able to automate your map making process. So at the end of the course, there is also a certificate. For those who require a certificate, you'll also get a certificate. And all the videos here in this course are all recorded. Once you purchase, you'll have a lifetime access. It will be there. You'll have an account that you'll continually be able to access. So we've moved this course from the other component that where we had, which was basically under courses.wanjohikibui.com. But now we've come here, and this is the new chapter. Let's learn and continue understanding GIS using the QGIS software.